Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm Samiha from Cook with Sam, and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious carrot cake. Before we get on to the video, make sure to subscribe if you like what I do here, and also click that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. Now without further ado, let's get on to the video. To your blender jar, add 4 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 teaspoon of almond essence, and blend it all together. Then add 300 grams of sugar and blend again. Now add 240 milliliters of refined oil and blend for around a minute to combine all together. Then add 225 grams of finely chopped pineapples and blend for around 10 seconds to combine well. Now let's prepare the flour mixture. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and mix it well to combine all together. Now pour the egg mixture into a large bowl and sift the flour mixture into the egg mixture and mix until it's incorporated. Now add 100 grams of roasted crushed walnuts and mix it well. Then add 350 grams of raw grated carrots and fold it in well. Now evenly divide the batter between the 2 prepared pans. Then bake it for around 25 minutes in a 200 degrees Celsius preheated oven. Meanwhile, let's prepare the cream cheese frosting. Firstly, beat 100 grams of butter until it's softened. Then add some sifted powdered sugar and beat it well. Next, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and beat it again. Now add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and beat until it's incorporated. Then add 340 grams of full-fat cream cheese and beat until it's nice and smooth. And now you're done with the frosting. Now let's get back to the cake. After your cake is cooled down, take it off the pan. Before you place the cake on the board, remember to place some frosting first. And place one layer of the cake on a cake board and spread 1/4 of the frosting on it. Then gently place the second cake layer onto the frosting and spread the rest of the frosting over the top and the side of the cake. And now finally the carrot cake is done and ready to serve. You could serve the cake cold or bring it to room temperature. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!